Hello and welcome to part 6 of my mini-series of how-to security videos, where I am going to show you how to export the signed Brother HTTPS certificate that I created in part 5 for use in Brother training environments. Please note that it is a continuation from the first 5 parts, so unless you are watching this as a refresher course, I recommend you watch them first. Links to them can be found in the description. Let's get started. I'm going to continue from where I left off on the previous video, part 5, where I had just created my Brother device a HTTPS certificate. If you are not already at this stage, I have posted a link to the previous video on the screen. From here, I need to right-click the recently created security certificate. In this example, it has been issued to *wildcard.brothertraining.net and has a friendly name of Brother HTTPS. From the pop-up menu, I will hover over the All Tasks option and then click the Export option. This will load the certificate export wizard, where I will click the Next button to begin the export. I need to ensure that the private key can be exported by selecting this option, and will then click the Next button to continue. I don't need to change any of these options, so we'll leave them as is. And we'll click the Next button again. In order to protect the private key, which is part of this certificate, I need to assign it a password. To do this, I need to tick the password box and then type a strong password. I recommend something over 16 characters using a combination of upper and lowercase letters, as well as numbers and special characters. Some Brother devices support stronger encryption, which you can select here. If you do select something stronger, I recommend you make 2 exports, one with the stronger encryption and the other with the default less stronger. This is so you can use the less stronger version should your Brother device not support the stronger one. I can now continue with the export by clicking the Next button. Here I need to decide where I want the certificate to be exported to by clicking the Browse button. I am going to export it to my desktop and will give it the name Brother HTTPS before clicking the Save button. I can now click the Next button, followed by the Finish button, before finally clicking the OK button to complete the export. I am now ready to upload the exported certificate into my Brother device. If you would like me to show you how, there is a link on the screen to my next video in this mini-series. Thank you for watching.